Between SpaceX, Tesla, and a third company, SolarCity, I'm all in.
Stay tuned for CNN.com.
Elon, a huge day for Tesla, the company going public. Why now?
Well, a number of reasons. We actually don't need the IPO proceeds for the Model S engineering production. A lot of people think we do, but that's actually taken care of with the DOE loan and with pre-existing investment.
This is the Model S, by the way,
This is
folks,
Model S, right.
rolling out in 2012.
Right. The reason for the IPO was actually to raise funds for parallel development of some additional variations on the Model S platform, to give us a little bit of additional cushion in case the Model S takes longer than expected, and also to provide some small amount of liquidity for myself and others that are in the IPO. I'm only selling 5% of my holdings, and I don't intend to sell any more, to be clear.
And that's part of the DOE agreement. You have to hold on to about 65%, correct?
Yeah, of my holdings,
Of
yes.
your holdings. All right, let's talk about the Model S. This is it's going to cost about half of what the Roadster costs, about $50,000. The goal is to have this roll out in 2012, but you just said in case it takes longer than expected. That's a really aggressive timeline. I mean, do you really think that you can get these out and running 20,000 of them by 2012 as the hope is?
Well, I should be clear, as those that are investing in IPO are aware, because we've gone through the whole roadshow, or those that have seen the net roadshow have seen, we intend to start production in mid-2012. It always takes a little bit of time to spool up the production line, so we expect to be at the 20,000 unit a year run rate by early 2013. So 2013 would be the first year where we do the 20,000 units.
Elon, what do you think Tesla will look like in 5 years? This company has changed so much just in the past few years.
Well, you know, what I hope we're doing in 5 years is doing our mass market vehicle. And then that's really been the goal all along. From the beginning, my dream for Tesla has been to make mass market electric vehicles. And that's, you know, we're about to do we've done step one of that with the Roadster, which is, you know, the high price, low volume. Now we're moving to Model S, mid price, mid volume. And then hopefully in 5 years, maybe 6 years, we're also producing the mass market electric vehicle. That's the ultimate dream for me, for Tesla.
Looking at Tesla, this is a startup company. Like many startup companies, you lose money. The company has lost about $260 million since its inception. You're going public. You want the public to invest in Tesla. What can you say to reassure investors that might have questions about the potential profitability here?
Well, yeah, we do often get that question. The thing that's important to bear in mind is that if Tesla just decided to be a sports car company and sell powertrains to other companies like to Daimler and to Toyota, we would be profitable. That's an important consideration. However, we're choosing not to do that. We're choosing instead to reinvest those profits and raise additional money to increase the production volume and produce the Model S, which is 30 times more production volume, maybe 40 times more production volume than our sports car. And it's just impossible if you're going through that kind of growth to remain profitable